Happy New Year, everybody. Today, I am going to be doing a new project. I'm actually in the process of taking down all of my Christmas decorations and moving toward my winter decor, which I would like to share with you as well. And my project tonight is going to be setting my table for a dinner that I'll be having in a couple of days here in my home. And I wanted to have an overall winter theme because, you know, in January, here we are, it's freezing cold where I am in Colorado right now. And, you know, we want to be cozy and warm and feel a little bit festive, even though the Christmas decor is all gone. So to keep from making my house feel so empty and kind of, you know, something's missing with all the Christmas festivity, you know, everything to go with Christmas is over. And it's always a little bit of a sad time of year. So, at least for me. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to decorate my table. Now, as you can see here, I have a white tablecloth that I'm using. I really want to brighten up my home with white. White just says, you know, like sunshine and happy days to me. So I've got some things on my table here already that I'll give you a closer look at in a minute. I've got some trees. I have a white deer that is really gorgeous. And then I'm going to be setting my table with my plates and my crystal and silverware and so on. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that, and you can follow me as I work on this little task. So guys, I'm just going to be using my white dinner plates. These are just my everyday dishes, and I've already laid out 6 dinner plates on the table, and I'm going to be adding these salad plates to each place in the center, just like that. And I wanted to share with you, I have a collection of silver, let's see if I can show you, silver napkin rings that I have been collecting over time. I just buy one when I see one that I like. Here's one, here's another one. And I have 6 altogether that I'm going to be using for my napkin rings for this table setting. So I have these pure white napkins that match my tablecloth. And I'm just placing them in fourths. And then I like to sort of fan them out a little bit and take my napkin ring and I just pull it through to get this cute little look for a very simple treatment for your napkins. And I will place one in each of the centers of the place setting. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up my video now and show you step by step how I put this table together. So be back in just a minute. Okay guys, I've got all of my plates, glassware, silverware, and so on the table, ready to go, but I need to work on my centerpiece. And as I said earlier, I have a few pieces already here getting started, but I have a lot of candles I want to place on the table, and some other little decor to spruce it up just a bit more. And I will do that really quickly. Here's my completed winter tablescape. I'm going to walk around so you can have a look at the place settings. I am using, as I said, my everyday white dishes, plain, inexpensive white tablecloth and napkins that I got at Bed Bath & Beyond, and of course I used my 20% off coupon. I placed a little pine cone next to each place setting, and so you can see how that looks. I wanted to film this at nighttime so you could get the full effect of the candlelight. Isn't it lovely? And we have these really pretty frosted trees. This is a very sparkly white tree, and there's the white deer. Isn't he handsome? I put a couple of other pine cones around the table, and I also used these small snowflakes that I had gotten for Christmas time, but didn't use them this year. And I have both Mirage candles and Luminara candles. So this candle right here is a Mirage, whereas this one where you can see the wick flickering, that is a Luminara candle, and I especially like the way it has sparkles on the silver at the bottom of each candle. So there you are. We'll walk around and take a look. I'll try to give you a look down the whole table so you can see the entire effect. I like using some green, some brown with these tiny little pine cones at each place. The silver napkin rings just add a lot to the white. And then coming around this side, you can see the effect of the centerpiece with each individual part. So there you have a winter tablescape that I think my guests will enjoy this weekend when they come over on Friday night. And it's always fun, you know, to do your tablescape sort of ahead of time, because then when you're cooking for company, you're not worrying about setting your table at, you know, the same time. I just wanted to come back for a minute to say goodbye to you all, and also to say thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. I appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Next week I will be putting up a new video that will be talking about the way I decorate my home for winter, especially for the months of January and February, which can be so gloomy. You know, it's dark so early at this time of year, and of course it's cold. So I think our best way to cope with that is to decorate our homes and make them cheerful and cozy and warm. So I will be back next week, as I said, with another video, and I hope you will stop by and check out my home tour. Okay, until next time, Happy New Year!